Welcome to Makers Rock album art collab. This is the album cover that I'm going to be replicating today. The theme of the project was 90s rock album, and this is the one that I've chose. I absolutely loved this album. It was very poignant in the world of Freddie Mercury at the time, and it's just such a brilliant album. Okay, I'm going to put most of it on time lapse because it's going to take quite a while to do some of this.
Staring through the window, gazing at the sun, imagining the planet, this place where it all begun. The solid shade of winter, shadows hiding cold, it swept away this instant of the brave we behold. Take it over, take it all, I believe in freedom. Take it over, take it all, come serenity. Take it over, take it all, fight the fury with peace. Oh, come release. Angels cross the borders, demons gonna run. Tell all folks about the burning fire in our hearts. Find all destinations named with guns. Let them face oblivion. Oblivion, let them fall apart. Take it over, take it all, I believe in freedom. Take it over, take it all, come serenity. Take it over, take it all, fight the fury with peace. Oh, come release to the I call on love, I call on fire, I call on peace, I call on a higher power. I call on love, I call on fire, I call on peace. Oh, I call on a higher power. Call on love, call on love. Take it over, take it all, I believe in freedom. Take it over, take it all, come serenity. Take it over, take it all, I believe in freedom. Take it over, take it all, come serenity. Take it over, take it all, fight the fury with peace. Oh, come release. Oh, to the world. Take it over, take it all, to the world. Take it over, take it all. I call on love, call on love, call on fire, call on peace, call on, I call on, I call on, I call on a higher power. I call on this thing we had was only tonight. What if we did ignore the sunlight? Let's go, let's run.
Well, hi everybody. I thought the best thing to do was put it on time lapse because there was such a lot of processes I wanted to put into this. That's it, finished now. This will be given away, and I am gonna, all you got to do is comment Killer Queen in the comments and you will be entered into the competition. I will keep it running up until the 31st of this month, and then I shall draw somebody out, and whoever gets it, this if you even want it, I'm not quite sure what I think of it, but I will send it to you wherever you are. That's it, that's my interpretation for the Makers Rock album art collab. I shall put the links to everybody else's project, everybody else's channels in a description. Now I think there's 35, so the list will be quite long, but do go and check out. Everybody's just doing it to whatever medium or whatever they choose. It's very individual. So I hope you like what you're seeing anyway. I used several different techniques between painting, using Fimo clays, and also router work with resin. So, and I think it just gives it a little bit of character. I'm not very good at faces, as you can clearly see, but the face on the actual album is pretty scary anyway, so I thought mine didn't look outlandishly scarier. Hope you enjoyed, everybody. If you did, give us that thumbs up. And thanks very much to all the makers as well who joined in to this year. And yeah, we did it so that we can all get together and offer you something. Everybody will be giving away their album, so I don't know what others are doing. I just kill a queen in the comments and you will be entered in to get this. Thank you very much for watching.